Righto, this one's all about spearfishing and cray diving. Normally, Roadtrip Australia is just caravan and camping, travelling around Oz, but we've come up with this awesome opportunity while we're in Carnarvon. We're going to duck out with Coral Coast Helicopter Service and go spearfishing and diving off the coast, mate. Got good mate Jacko here who's ready to go. Hey, he's our fourth child for the day. And we met these guys months ago on the road. We've caught up again in Carnarvon. We're going out to split the difference. It's an expensive chopper flight, but it's a once in a lifetime opportunity because we get scenic flight, adventure flight, spearfishing, cray diving. Oh mate, just everything. Oh shit, did you bring the beers? Hey, at the Carnarvon Airport, here's the chopper we're going out in. Jacko's pumped, I'm pumped. Big Justo's the pilot. How are you, mate?
Hey, how you going,
hey, thanks for taking us out today.
No worries,
What a legend.
mate.
Give us a
My
quick
pleasure.
rundown, man. What are we up to?
Alright, so we loaded the chopper up with all our gear and we're heading up the coast to go and spear a few fish.
Yeah.
Grab a few crays.
Yeah.
Mate, epic day.
Yeah.
Epic day in Carnarvon.
Mate, we are pumped, eh? I met this lad 2 years ago at a caravan park having a few beers randomly. Anyway, pumped to go out today. It's going to be a sick trip, offshore, remote islands, crayfish diving, spearfishing. Mate, sick. Hey, I've never spearfished before, mate. Is that a problem?
Nah, not at all.
Just don't swim in front of me, eh? I don't think I've safety on those guns, mate. How epic is this, mate, eh? We just landed on the beach right here. We're going to drop in here, spearfish this first little hole we've seen. The water here looks friggin' insane. It's off tap, mate. Jacko, what do you reckon, bro? Check this, man. Oh, this is out of control. Look at this. Oh, friggin' untouched, mate, eh? 50 k's offshore. We were doing 200 k's an hour in that chopper to get over here. Oh, pumped is a freaking understatement, man. This is going to be sick. Righto, because I'm a muppet and I've never used one of these before. Justo's going to show us quick. Looks pretty simple, man.
Point and shoot. Point and shoot.
So back, two rubbers, where do they go?
So 2 rubbers. Back rubber comes back to the rear slot.
Yep.
Front rubber comes back to the front slot.
Righto.
Okay.
And then just, is there a
Double
safety
rubbers.
on it?
There is a safety.
Yep.
Safe is your index finger.
Yep.
Thumb is shoot.
Righto, happy days.
So good to go.
How good's that, man? And only where you reckon it's easier to load in the water?
Piece of piss.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, let's see how we go.
Straight up.
Alright, first dive. We'll call that one a practice run, I reckon. What do you reckon, mate?
Run, definitely.
How many parrotfish did you skin then? Far out.
4 of them. Skin 4 of them.
Oh, I think we're both pretty green at it. Jacko's done a bit more, but I think we just need to get our range dialed in a bit, hit them a bit closer so we can absolutely blitz these things. We've got a couple and they kept getting off the spear. So anyway, we'll move holes. Where are we going? Up to another little lagoon, mate?
Yeah, special little spot.
Special spot.
Special
Yeah.
spot. That's all I can tell you.
It's going to be good, this one. That was epic, man. We just come from the south end up to the north end. We've been over pods of dolphins, pods of dugongs. The water is dead set. Wow, have a look at it. Look where we are. chopper is on the beach. This is epic. I'm gonna get out of here, nail some crays, and then go for another dive up this end, see if we can't get better at our spearfishing and nail a few good fish. There's tuna and mackies working out the back. Mate, this is insane. Cannot get a boat in here. Absolutely remote. Best cray hole ever, he reckons. Let's hit it. Nice quality, bullshit grouper, right out of the honey hole. It's my first fish on a spear, eh? Pretty tough. There's like 100 of them in there. Pretty good spot, huh? Oh, they're off their head. Yeah. Oh, far out. That's a spot, isn't it? Oh, that is a honey hole. How good's that? Hey, first cray I've ever caught, and I just nagged it straight under a ledge. Glove in. It's not. Oh, I'm pumped, man. Far out. This is epic. Look at this big bad boy. Oh man.
New light is calling you now. Every color in blue.
Man, that is next level. There is crayfish, there is fish. Nailed a couple with the spear, and then under these little ledges, there's just like hundreds of crayfish, man. It is insane. How'd you go, Jacko? How many did you hit, man?
Yeah, one or two, mate. I don't know. There's not many in there.
All carved up. Look at that. They don't make it easy. All right, now the only issue is now we're gonna get all that weight home in that. We're gonna be all right, mate.
I think we'll be right. Large bit of beer.
I'll have to drink them here. Far out. Good times, man, eh? How's this for somewhere to have lunch? Are you serious? Huh? What the hell, mate? This is dead set paradise. I thought we nailed it at Dirk Hartog a few weeks back, but far out. A couple of sangers, a few tins. Just nailed a heap of crays out there in that lagoon. Don't get much better, Justo, eh?
Don't get much better, mate.
This is epic, man. Oh, righto. Moment of truth. How many did we get? This took 3 of us to carry this bloody fish bag up, so I reckon we got a few pump, mate, or what?
Insane.
Oh, mate, you're our weapon, Justo. Far out.
Good.
Put us onto a spot like this. This is epic. Oh,
There's some good ones there.
mate, this is once in a lifetime stuff, eh? This is, it's next level. It's out of control. Oh.
Look at that for comparison.
Oh man, Righto, we've cleaned all our fish and crays so far. We loaded them up in a bag. We're just about at our bag limit. We're pumped full of fish and crays, but we're going to do one last dive. We're going to jump in here in the deeper stuff. We're going to drift down to that next beach and then hike back. So hopefully get something bigger, you know, a big cod or a trout or something like that. But if we don't, who cares? We are pumped. We are stoked with what we've got already. Insane place over here. Sun's going down, it's like 4:30 in the arvo. We can't get Jacko out of the water. I don't know, we might have to leave him here, but it's been a mint day. We've got about 7 fish. We bagged out on crays. Absolutely loving it. So, Big Justin here, Gold Coast Helicopter Service. He runs adventure tours like this, but he does a heap of other stuff too, mate. So, what else, bro?
Mate, we do anything you want. So fishing, spear fishing, snorkeling tours, 50 caliber rifle shooting.
Come on's next. Yeah.
You name it, we'll do it. If
Yeah.
you can think of it, we'll do it.
Good stuff. So, tourist season for you, Bart. What times? Because then, what are you heading up mustering soon, yeah?
Yeah, that's right. So mustering and tourism season coincide. So
Yeah.
we sort of start around April each year and run through to about November.
3 days.
Yeah.
So, best way to get in contact with you?
Website www.coralcoasthelicopters.com.au.
Dead set. This bloke is an absolute legend. This is a once in a lifetime trip. We've had a freaking ball. Never again will I see that many crayfish under one shelf. Never again will I get out there and spearfish. That was out of my depth, mate. I wouldn't have done it without this bloke. At one stage he goes, oh, there's a shark underneath. It's just a little one. It's about 3 meters long. Anyway, I wouldn't have done it without him, so it's good. I've been out, I've enjoyed it, and I've done something that I wanted to tick off the bucket list, mate. So I'm pumped. So good. Come here, man. Thanks a lot, eh?
My pleasure. Jacko's got another fish to put in the bag.
Oh, he's starting. We just can't get him out of the water. He's trigger happy, Jacko. Oh well, here's cheers to a good day, man.
Cheers, man.
Hey? That's
brother.
outstanding. Epic day.
Mate.
Cheers to the big man.
Cheers, bros.
Cheers, boys.
Sunset going down in the background, half hour back to Carnarvon that way, and I reckon we've probably got about 3 hours cleaning fish and crays, mate. Feel loaded.